Welcome to our Home Garden Guide channel. Here is Rosa speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is outdoor freestanding powder-coated propane stainless steel floor standing 47,000 but standing patio heater iron. Let's start to introduce product-related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website 𝐒𝐫𝐢𝐥𝐿.com. The 47,000 patio heater is an ideal way to prolong the outdoor dining and entertainment season. It makes any outdoor life or courtyard area warm and comfortable. It's also great for restaurants and business owners. The design with wheels makes it easy for you to move to where you need it. The durable design is durable and can stand the test of bad weather. The most important functions are, these are only part of important features. If you want to know more about the product, please visit 𝐒𝐫𝐢𝐥 website. 1. They are very suitable for outdoor activities with large space. 2. Patio heater shape, round. 4. Fuel type, propane. 5. Heat range diameter, 15 foot. 6. Adjustable heat, yes. 7. Location, outdoor use only. 8. BTU output, 47,000 BTU. 9. Country of origin, China. 10. Natural gas pipeline, yes. 11. Indicator light, no. 12. Automatic safety shutoff, yes. 13. Ignition type, push and turn ignition. About Home Garden Guide. Shop from a great collection of patio furniture and outdoor decorations at http://www.𝐒𝐫𝐢𝐥𝐿.com. Our store offers quality patio sets, tables, chairs, sofas, sectionals, decor, and more. 𝐒𝐫𝐢𝐥 is a professional store for furnitures and home improving and decoration products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, 𝐒𝐫𝐢𝐥 can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. If you buy 5+ random items per order, you will get more discounts. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via doloresjmonez12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.